Happy Sunday, everyone. I'm here in McKinney. Just waiting on my client to arrive. She hasn't gotten here yet, so I figured I'd just make a quick video for you guys. I'm about to give this home tour. I am a local realtor out here in the DFW, and what I do is I help people find homes. A lot of people don't know that it's kind of the same, close to the same qualifications that you'll need to be able to rent a home. In order to buy a home also. So this home that I'm currently in, it's a beautiful home, 4 beds, 2 baths. The rental price is at $2,500 out here in McKinney for this home, and has the granite countertops, beautiful gas burners on the stove, a nice deep double-sided sink, stainless steel appliances. Only thing in this home, you just need a refrigerator when you move in, and then you'll just need to bring your washer machine and dryer. This is the washroom. Then we also have, this is the primary suite back here. Yeah, let me turn the camera around so you guys can see it from a better angle. There we go. See, that camera's a little foggy. Yeah, so that's the primary suite. You got the spring tub, shower, double sinks, nice big closet. Here's on her side. And you got your private toilet room. Carpet in the bedrooms, wood flooring throughout the house. Nice 2-car garage. Then there's also an office in here. So kind of like 5 bedrooms, but dining area, back through the kitchen, living area, gas fireplace. Nice size backyard. I had to take my jacket off because it is kind of hot today. Then coming over here, we have the second bathroom. Double sinks in here as well. And then we have the first of the other 3 regular bedrooms. You have 1 primary bedroom, and then you got 3 normal bedrooms. And y'all have decent sized closets. Yeah, y'all got decent sized closets. This is a single story house. And so I can help y'all find homes like this or bigger, depending on what you're looking for, or smaller. Whatever's in your budget, or whatever you're looking for, I can help you find it. Typically, the qualifications for getting into a rental, most homeowners, most owners of the homes, they want to see that you can qualify with at least 3 times, that you make at least 3 times the income for the rent. Also, they want you to have a pretty decent credit score of at least 600. Now, I can help you if your credit score is a little bit lower than that, or if you have a little bit of credit difficulties, I can help you out and still help you with getting into a home like this. They also typically want to see that you have no evictions, no broken leases, and no property debt owed. And some of them, it's a case-by-case basis on criminal history. But if you got all those things in order, you can show at least 3 most recent paycheck stubs or 2 months of recent bank statements to show and prove your income. That's like typically the biggest thing. They want to know that you can afford the rent to pay them. And yeah, it's that simple. You come meet with me. I give you a tour of the place. And then after we tour the place, you tell me what you liked about it. what you didn't like about it. If you want to proceed, then we go ahead, we put it in the application, and then after we submit the application can get done. Sometimes I've had instances where the application was done in the same day. The person moved in the next day. But sometimes it could take anywhere from that same day to like 3 business days for the application to be completely checked over, for them to do the background check, the history check, the credit report check, and all that kind of stuff. And then within that 1 to 3 days, after everything goes through nice and good and clear and smooth, then you'll get your keys and you'll move in. And it's just that simple. It's a lot quicker to get a rental home, I would say, than it is to buy a home. But like I said, a lot of times it kind of almost looking for the same stuff, because like when they're looking at your credit history and they dig into your credit, they dig into criminal background, they dig into, all that stuff. And when you go to buy a home, they just dig a little bit deeper into your income history, but they still dig into all that other stuff when you go to buy a home. So they just dig a little bit deeper into your income history. They want to know and make sure that you're not just buying this home on a whim. So they want to see if you got some money, possibly money in savings. And they also want to see if you make enough and that you've got good income history when you go to buy a home. And so that process can be pretty simple too. If you were to come to me and you wanted to buy a home, I can help you get that home. Real simple, just like getting a rental home. What I would do is I would take you over to my lenders, get you a pre-approval if you didn't have one already. And then from there, once we find out how much you can afford to put on a home, then we go out searching for homes. Find a home really quick. We put our offer in, and once everything is good there, they accept the offer. We come through, we get our inspection done, yada, 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 all that other good stuff. And then you get the keys to your home, you go close, and then you get the keys to your home. So the process of getting a home can be really quick, smooth, and easy. I make sure that I have everything in a organized way so that it makes it, when you come to me ready to get your home, I just lay it all out real clear and quick for you so that we can make that process go smooth, efficiently, and swiftly. So yeah, if you have any questions, if you want more details on how to get a rental home, on how to get an apartment, or if you want to buy a home, you can just shoot me a DM on Facebook or wherever, or you can send me a text message, 214-554-7743. Give me a call or shoot me an email or drop on my website. It's easy to reach me. I'm not hard to find. I'm not hard to get a hold of. You can just Google me. You'll see me all over Google. So yeah, if y'all got any questions, just let me know. And I'm here. I'll talk to y'all later. Oh, my client is getting in.